So today I went for a walk and I gathered up a bunch of things that I found on our way, and I thought it would be fun to make some nature faces out of it. Let's see. I found some rocks, some flowers, some driftwood and tree bark, some leaves, and seed pods, a pine cone, and some walnuts. Good, so I'm using the rocks to make a head. Let's see, what do I have on my face? What are these things here? Oh, eyeballs. Let's see, we need some eyeballs. Got some seed pods for the eyeballs. And then we need a nose. Pine cone. And let's see, what's this thing here called? A mouth, that's right. I definitely need a mouth. Think this looks like a mouth? Why not? And what about this stuff on my head here? What's that called? Oh, hair. How about some flowers for my hair? Spread it out a little bit like that. What about these things that I hear out of? Ears. Oh, walnuts will work for that. What do you think? How about you go out and try and see what you can make?